Google has announced the launch of its earthquake alert system for Android devices in India. Earthquakes are one of the most common natural disasters in the world, and an early warning can be pivotal in helping people prepare and get themselves and their loved ones to safety. Android Earthquake Alert System uses sensors in Android smartphones to detect and estimate earthquakes. This is already deployed in many countries around the world to provide people around the world with an early warning when earthquake shaking begins. Now, in consultation with the National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA) and the National Center for Seismology (NCS), Ministry of Earth Sciences, Google is introducing the Android Earthquake Alert System in India. Through this launch, Google tries to provide Android users automatic early warning alerts when there is an earthquake in their area. The Android Earthquake Alert System is rolling out to all Android 5 Plus users in India during the coming week. To receive alerts, users must have Wi-Fi or cellular data connectivity and both Android Earthquake alerts and location settings enabled. Users who do not wish to receive these alerts can turn off earthquake alerts in device settings. The system also provides information through Google search about local seismic events and safety measures when people search for information with queries like earthquake near me. Android Earthquake Alert System uses a crowdsourced approach to detect earthquakes. All smartphones contain tiny accelerometers that can sense vibrations and speed signals that indicate an earthquake might be happening. If the phone detects something that it thinks may be an earthquake, it sends a signal to Google's earthquake detection server along with a coast location of where the shaking occurred. The server then combines information from many phones to figure out if an earthquake is happening. This approach uses the 2+ billion Android phones in use around the world as mini seismometers to create the world's largest earthquake detection network. The phones detect the vibration and speed of shaking of an earthquake and alert Android users in affected areas accordingly.